in fact, days ago. But more than that was the fact that we had this gamma building here, suggesting somebody's active in the volatility space, and that gamma means that if the price were to sell off of a key dealer's key level, there's a very good chance that it's going to pick up that gamma and run quite hard with it. And obviously that's kind of what's happened on that data release, is somebody's picked up the gamma and the gamma's surged, and it's caused the price to start sinking through. And obviously the first gamma level that broke was the 23,950 level here. And of course that's something that we'd noted yesterday as well. If you remember in yesterday's post, if I can find it, we'd already highlighted the dealer's key at 24,060. And obviously when we started to highlight that 24,060, what price were we very aware of this morning? What was my major dealer's key price level today, guys? My major dealer's key level. Well, you see it from the tweets, can't you? So what was my major dealer's key level? We had one at 24,020, but the biggest one of the day was going to be anything that happened around 23,950 today, right? We still had the 24,060 in from yesterday, but we also had the 24,020, and then we had the 23,950. So if this market were to come in hot and 950 were to break, it's going to bring in a lot of hedgers. And if you look at what happened, 950 broke, and it brought in a lot of hedgers. You couldn't make it up, could you?